Welcome home. We are at 828 Cedar Avenue in Inverness, Florida. Inverness is our county seat for Citrus County. It's a very quaint and attractive city and community, and a really neat place to live. So this home is nestled into the Inverness Highlands, one of the larger communities within Inverness. And you can see it is move-in ready. It is a beautiful floor plan, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,543 square feet living area, a nicely appointed and updated kitchen, as you see here, with some bar seating, lots of cabinetry, a pantry, updated flooring. This luxury vinyl plank flooring is just gorgeous, and the carpeting is newer as well. So I'm going to take you through. We'll explore this house a little bit. You'll find that it's got some very classic detailing. The woodworking, being the real wood door frames and baseboards, is very nice, and you don't get that as often here in Florida. And we have new windows. So these are double pane, very high quality windows. They have the tilt functionality, so you're able to easily clean both sides of the window pane. This is the primary suite. There's a walk-in closet there to my right, and then a nicely updated bathroom with a beautiful vanity and a shower, as well as a linen closet, and that's a very deep linen closet. The unique thing about this house is that the master bathroom actually opens up to the garage. So this is the 2-car garage. It's got extra storage space there. We do have a sprinkler system on this house, so you'll be able to keep the landscaping very nice. And this is the laundry room here right on the garage. Very convenient though, with the access from the primary bedroom suite out to the laundry area. So we'll go back to the main living area, and I'm going to take you across to the other bedroom. Bay window here. This is a lovely space. With these new windows, you'll also notice and appreciate that the light flows through the house. There's lots of windows. There's a solar tube there, which gives extra natural lighting. So you don't need to turn on a bunch of lights if you do not want to. Second bedroom, also a nice sized closet here. Another walk-in, lots of space. And this bedroom has a window overlooking the screened porch. The roof and the HVAC were both updated in 2014. So the big ticket items have been taken care of in addition to the remodel. Here we have the tub shower combo in this bathroom. Inverness is in Central Florida on the Nature Coast. We are on the west coast of the state, and we are a very easy commute to get to Orlando for the attractions, or Tampa for all of the shopping and dining, or even go to Spring Hill, which is slightly south of us, or Marion County to the north. And there's lots of options for entertainment, shopping, dining. But in addition to that, because we live in a nice rural location, it's very quiet. The roads are light traveled, light traffic, and it's just a peaceful place, very, very peaceful place to live. So this is the back flex room. This makes a nice additional living space, family room, whatever you need, whatever you'd like to do with this space. And then it walks out to this cozy screened-in porch. Another great feature of this home is the screened-in backyard. So we'll step out there. And I said screened-in backyard. What I obviously meant was a fenced-in backyard. So this is a very nice space if you have any pets, or you just want a nice area to enjoy back here. You are all set to go. Beautiful shade trees, completely fenced in, and you can see how peaceful and quiet this is. So a really great option if you're looking to get situated comfortably in Florida, or you're just looking for a change of pace. This is an awesome home, and we'd love to talk to you more about it. So please give the team a call here at RES Luxury Group with eXp Realty, and our team brings you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Give us a call at 352-794-1426, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel to stay tuned for more.